home. Past my bedtime.
I think. Oh no, they're not coming. Cool.
First blood.
There's a kilo here if anybody wants.
Yeah, I'll take the kilo. Not the problem.
The revived flight
Second
will
floor.
arrive in 1 minute.
Where about is it?
There's a kilo. I forgot where is it. I marked it.
Is it up the stairs? Yeah.
Yeah, upstairs in some building.
Chip terminal ready. Most ready.
No, that's alright. Fucking. I'll play with my Craig.
Must be somewhere.
No, it's fine. Someone else might have picked it up.
Safe zone is collapsing.
Enemies. Engaging the enemy. Enemy down. The airdrop is coming.
Thanks for your mod, bitch.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. Airdrop has been delivered.
Okay, we should make a move now. क्या पानी का Oh shit! Got stuck.
Yeah, I'll
Get
jump
down, get
out.
down. Let's go in the other car.
Get some rest.
The airdrop is coming.
Where are we going?
First, we try in the zone. Then we see.
Yeah, that'll be
Yep,
a good
and
idea.
go there.
Get in the zone. I am an awful driver. Woo! That's all.
The revived flight will arrive.
So you're a good driver.
No, definitely not.
Where are you going?
I don't even know. I can't. I don't see the map. Should we go check terminal?
Okay, yeah.
I reckon the airdrop's going to be gone by the time we get there. And then we can go Kraken Tower. Or as I like to call it, Kraken Tower.
The airdrop is coming. The airdrop is coming.
Skill chip ready for upgrade.
For a custom. Yes, let's go to that custom.
Yeah.
Get in, get in. 100% go to that custom. What a little bastard.
Oh shit!
Engaging the enemies.
Okay, we should move now.
The revived flight will arrive in 1 minute.
Yeah, let's go and get a custom.
Half of the teams are
I need a better fast aim down sight. And then I think we should go and get that airdrop. That's near Lighthouse after this.
Yeah.
chip terminal is
I need extended mag.
I got the blue one.
I don't even care what one it
I
is.
give
I
you.
just need. I've got an Odin, so I need.
Yeah, I can give you.
collapse.
We can go cargo if you want, and then head over to Lighthouse for the next airdrop, or we can go for the green airdrop.
The green is gone. The green is gone, I think.
No, the one
Gone,
at the
gone.
top near Array.
Oh yeah.
There's a plane now going over it. You can
So there's
risk
one
it.
people there, one person here.
Yeah.
Oh, don't go there. Shit.
Our vehicle is about to explode. Can't stay in the car. The airdrop is coming.
If anyone finds a fast aim down sight, a better one than a blue one.
Airdrop has been delivered. The flight will arrive.
Take this if you need help.
Thank you. Yeah, I need long range. 100%.
There's a lot of long range in those bags.
Yeah, I've just got it.
In this
I
box.
just need a better fast aim down sight. That's all. Oh, there's a green extended mag. Oh, should we take their helicopter?
I've just nicked it already.
Someone's just taken the box. Be careful. Better fast ADS? No, but I'll take it.
The airdrop is coming.
The airdrop is coming.
Enemy
Enemy down.
the enemies.
Cover me.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Every time I move away from a place,
Mm-hmm. It's funny, we all look one way, start shooting, then they're shooting behind, so we all turn and we all start just blasting again.
The revived flight will arrive in
that's
1 minute.
bullshit. I've only got 2 kills.
I've got a few.
A few is free, so have you got 3 kills?
No, I've got 5.
Well, there you go then. A couple's 2 and a few is 3.
Yeah, alright.
Them airdrops still haven't been looted. I'm going to get one.
Chip
I need
terminal is
fucking better
almost ready.
fast aim down sight. Oh, I know. One. I thought one had been collected. It hadn't.
The safe zone is collapsing.
The airdrop is coming.
Airdrop has been delivered. The last revived flight will arrive in 1 minute. Down to the last 5 teams.
Someone's here because they've got scout.
Close in.
Yes, fast aim down sight. Thank you.
Only 2 teams left. Getting close to victory.
Oh, there's us and 4 others.
There's a golden extended mag.
Oh, I'll take that.
Too late.
That
Text that.
What about fast ADS? Right, I'm driving round. I'll see if I can spot him.
God damn, hit them with it.
I found one. Right, that one's dead.
The airdrop is coming.
Chip terminal is almost ready.
Yeah.